3 mind-blowing facts about the F-35 Lightning II. At number 3, the F-35 Lightning II is not just a fighter jet, it's a flying supercomputer. Packed with advanced sensors and AI, it collects and shares battlefield data in real time, giving pilots situational awareness that feels like having eyes everywhere. At number 2, this stealth multi-role jet can take off from aircraft carriers, land bases, and even short runways, making it incredibly versatile for any combat scenario. But at number 1, the F-35's true power lies in its sensor fusion technology, which merges radar, infrared, and electronic warfare data to create a single, crystal-clear battlefield picture. Enemies don't just get shot down, they get erased before they even know they're in danger. The F-35 isn't just the future of air warfare, it's the future of winning wars.